Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick guide on how to prevent delivery indicators on LinkedIn using your PC. With LinkedIn's recent updates, you may want to keep your messaging activity private. Let's get started with the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to linkedin.com. If you aren't already logged in, enter your credentials to access your LinkedIn account. Once you're on the home page, look towards the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an icon that represents you. This is the Me icon. Click on it to open a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This will take you to a new page where you can manage various settings related to your account. Now, focus on the left-hand side of the screen. You'll find several categories listed here. Click on Data Privacy. This section contains important options regarding how your data is handled on LinkedIn. Next, scroll down until you find the section titled Messaging Experience. Here, click on Read Receipts and Typing Indicators. This is where you can control whether others can see if you've read their messages or if you're currently typing a response. You'll see a toggle switch for delivery indicators. To disable these indicators, simply click the switch so it moves to the off position. Once you've done this, no one will be able to see if you've read their messages or if you're typing a reply. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully disabled delivery indicators on LinkedIn. This means you can browse through your messages without feeling pressured to respond immediately or revealing your activity to others. Remember, these settings apply to all conversations, ensuring your privacy across the board. If you ever decide you want to re-enable these features, just follow the same steps and toggle them back on. Thanks for tuning in. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to manage your LinkedIn messaging privacy effectively. Happy networking.